All right, and a developing story tonight at 10. The judge overseeing former President Trump's federal election interference case decided today when his trial will begin.
Yeah, Trump's legal team tried to get a later date, but as Blaine Alexander explains, that trial is now set to collide with the 2024 presidential primaries.
Tonight, request denied. That's the ruling from a federal judge to former President Trump, seeking to delay the start of his federal election interference trial until after the 2024 election. Instead, Judge Tanya Chutkan has set a start date of March 4th. Prosecutors had requested a January start date, but Trump attorneys had pushed for a 2026 start, saying they needed time to prepare. But Judge Chutkan said Mr. Trump, like any defendant, will have to make the trial date work regardless of his schedule. Today, Mr. Trump blasted it as an attempt to undermine his presidential campaign, calling it election interference. It's yet another collision between the Republican frontrunner's legal calendar and the height of campaign season. That March 4th start date, just one day before Super Tuesday. 3 weeks later, the start of Mr. Trump's trial in Manhattan, where a DA is accusing him of concealing hush money payments to a porn star. He's pleaded not guilty. Then on May 20th, the special counsel's case on classified documents. Mr. Trump has also pleaded not guilty. Not yet on the calendar, the election interference case in Fulton County, Georgia, where today his former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, testified about this call from then President Trump to Georgia's Secretary of State, Brad Raffensperger.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state.
Meadows is pushing to move his case to federal court, which would mean jurors from outside Atlanta, not just heavily Democratic Fulton County.
That was Blaine Alexander reporting. The former president's Georgia arraignment is still scheduled for September 6th.
Mr. Trump can appear in person, virtually, or he can waive his appearance altogether.